given that x and y are real numbers, we want to prove that the absolute value of x plus y over 1 plus the absolute value of x plus y is less than the absolute value of x over 1 plus the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y over 1 plus the absolute value of y. So this is a basic problem that we can use, or we can prove using the absolute value properties. We have proven one of the basic or the most fundamentals properties of the absolute value. It's called the triangular inequality. For any x and y in R, we have shown that x plus y in absolute value is less than the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y. In fact, we're going to use this one here. We start from here to get to this result. How can we do that? Okay, we need to see it. Otherwise, it looks like this one is a fraction of something that we can study. Maybe we can choose a function and study its derivative, and it looks like the ratio of some t over 1 plus t, a function that we can study, and we get this result. But we want to work with the absolute value properties. Okay, so this is our key idea. The first one is that we know that given any x and y, we have this result. Okay, so now if we multiply both sides by x, we get this one here is less than itself, the absolute value of x plus y. The same thing for y. Why are we doing this? We will see why. Okay, so just this one is true. Okay, now if we do the addition here on the left side, what do we get? We get 1 plus the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y times the absolute value of x plus y less than. Here we see that we can have this one. Okay, so we can see that if we factor out by x, so x plus y, so it's going to be x, the absolute value of x plus absolute value of y, factor of the 1 plus the absolute value of x plus y. Okay, we can see that. Okay, now to get our result, a helpful result, so we're gonna divide everything by this one here. So let's multiply by, let's multiply both sides by this number. So if multiply by 1 over 1 plus absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y times 1 plus the absolute value of x plus y. Okay, once we do that, okay, what do we get? So this one is gonna go. This one is gonna go. On the left side, we're gonna have only x plus y over 1 plus the absolute value of x plus y. On the right side, okay, on the right side, this term is gonna go. Okay, we're gonna have only x plus y over 1 plus x plus y. Okay, so this is a basic result that we can use now. So our aim is to prove this one here. Okay, now we need to get rid of this, or we can rewrite this one as, so we have x plus y in absolute value over 1 plus the absolute value of x plus y is less than the absolute value of x over 1 plus the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y plus the absolute value of y over 1 plus the absolute value of x plus the absolute value of y. So here, to get to my result, I need to do something here. Or I know that for any x and y in real numbers, the 1 plus the absolute value of x plus y is bigger than 1 plus the absolute value of x. How to prove this one? Just take this, the absolute value of y is bigger than 0, and add 1 plus the absolute value of x to both sides. Now, if we divide over, so we have 1 over 1 plus absolute value of x plus absolute value of y is less than absolute value of x over 1 plus x. The same thing for here, and this is the same thing for the y. Okay, so if we add, so I'm sorry, I had to multiply here by x. So x over this one is less than this one. The same thing for y. So y over 1 plus the absolute value of x plus y is less than y over 1 plus the absolute value of y. So since I have these two quantities, okay, this one and this one are less than this one and this one, therefore this one is less than these two. Okay, this proves that x plus y over 1 plus the absolute value of x plus y is less than x over 1, the absolute value of x over 1 plus x plus the absolute value of y over 1 plus the absolute value of y. So this proves my result. Okay, we need to pay attention to the algebra. Okay, so this is here, this is less than this. And this proves our result here. And I think that's all we needed to do. Okay, the basic idea is to start from here. The triangular inequality. Thank you very much.